Hey guys, welcome back to Quasi Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to secure Google Chrome on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome browser, select your profile, then go to these three dots here, go to settings, and scroll down a bit, and in the last settings option, you can see about Chrome. Select it and update it if needed and check it's up to date. This should be written on your Chrome browser. Chrome is up to date. Now moving to our second step, enabling enhanced safe browsing. For enabling safe browsing, go to your settings as we have already opened our settings browser. Go to privacy and security. As you can see here, privacy and security. Now uh, to block malware phishing and dangerous sites, you have to uh, go to okay, go to security, then turn on enhanced protection. As you can see here, you have to turn it on. Now it will warn about dangerous sites you will Google didn't know about before, and it will help you from dangerous sites such as phishing sites, malware sites, and it will give you real-time protection. Now disabling third-party cookies for better privacy. For doing this, you have to open again privacy and security, select privacy and security. Now go to cookies and other option. As you can see here, delete browsing data. Where it is? Advanced. Okay. Now you can see cookies and other data. You have to delete data. Go here and delete the saved cookies and other sites info on your Google Chrome browser. And you can also block third-party cookies. Go to third-party cookies and just turn this on your Google Chrome browser. Now, after blocking third-party cookies, you have almost secured your Chrome browser. Now, uh, okay, go to privacy and security, then go to ads privacy. Okay, now you also can turn on your ads topics. It will suggest you better apps. As we know, sometimes Google shows us inappropriate applications and different type of advertisement. So that's it, guys. I hope your Chrome browser is now secure and private. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one.